Hello, mathematicians. All right, we are on math lesson 7-6. This might look familiar to a few of you because this was actually the last lesson we completed before we left school. And that's okay because we're going to go ahead and review this since some of us haven't done math in a while and it's just good practice for us. Those of you who were not with us, this would be a great time to work through it with us. Okay, we are not going to work with partners as it says, and that's okay. We also don't have our fraction circle pieces, which is okay too. We're just going to draw them today. So we need to know that the red fraction circle piece represents one whole apple. So right here we have one whole apple. That's the red circle piece. Okay, and the next one that we're going to draw is the pink fraction piece, which you can see it looks like about half of the circle. Okay, so now we're going to use the pink fraction circle piece to show 1/2 of an apple, 2 out of 2 parts of an apple, and 3 out of 2 parts of an apple, and then be ready to show what you did. So right now on your blank piece of paper, we are going to draw 1/2, 2/2, 2/2, and 3/2, or 2/2. I mean, we're thinking, how can we possibly do that when it's more than 2 out of 2 or 1 whole? We will find out. So right now, go ahead, put me on pause. Use these pink fraction circle pieces or fraction pieces to show 1/2, 2/2, and 3/2. Then when you're done, unpause me and we'll show how we did it. All right, if you have me on pause, this means you've already drawn out your pink circle pieces. Let's see, if we want half of a circle, one part of the circle, and we know that 2 parts are going to cover this. So that is 1 part out of a whole. Now we're looking for 2 out of 2 parts of a whole. There's 1 part and 2 parts. And we see that they combine together to make that one whole piece. If I line this up, look at that. They are equivalent, or we know that word means equal. So 2/2 is equal to 1 whole. 3/2. How can we possibly have 3/2? Well, let's see. 1/2, 2/2, and 3/2. So this is what 3/2 looks like. There's one piece, and there's 2 pieces, 1, 2, 3. Does that make sense that 3/2 would look like this? So we can also say 3/2 is like having 1.5 pieces. Okay. Awesome job. That concludes our math message. Now we're going to get ready to go to our journal page 232 and 203. Great job.